Hey there, welcome to my channel Code Canvas. In this quick JavaScript video, we will see a JavaScript function that will check if the last digit of given three positive numbers or integers is same or not. So, what does it mean? For example, we have three numbers like 10, 34 and 50. Okay, so we will create a JavaScript function that will check if the last digit of all three integers, which are obviously positive, are correct or not. Okay, so in this case it will return false. And if we check 30, 70 and 580, then you can see all three last digits are same. Okay, so you can consider it as a true. So let's start creating the function. Sometimes you are asked to create this kind of function in your interviews, though it is very easy and a small function, but it is first to see. So for example, let's create the check underscore last is the function name is equal to function. Okay, let's call this function and log the value of the function, whatever it is returning. So here the first argument, let's say it is 10, the second argument is 34, and after that 50. Okay, so it should return false by default. Let's start writing. So we should have three arguments, A, B, and C. Okay. So first of all, we need to make sure that all the integer numbers are positive. So for that, we need to check if A is greater than 0, and you can omit these brackets, but I like to keep it. So that's up to you. So if A, B, and C all are greater than 0, it means if all are positive numbers, right? Then it will return true. But if again A modulo 10, so we will see what this modulo function do. A modulo 10 equal to B modulo 10 and B modulo 10 equal to C modulo 10, also C modulo 10 equal to A modulo 10. Then it will return true, else return false. Okay. We don't need else here. We can write down like this as well. So yeah, we need to keep it outside of this if, because otherwise it will always return false. So if a modulo 10, okay, so let's see what is the result. It is false because this is 34, and if I change it to 30, then it will be true, right? Because all these last integer character or last digit are same: 508, 38, and 18. For example, then it should also return true. Okay. Let's make it, let me change to 20, 80, and 600. Then it will return true. Right. And if I change it to minus, then it should return false because it will not fulfill this if condition, and then it will return false. Right. And also let's make it 604, 84, and 24, and it should return true. Right. Okay. So this is the very basic if condition. So what this modulo do? Let's say we have 20 modulo 10, and it will 0 because 20 divided by 10, and what is the remainder? Okay, that is 0. If I make it 200 by divided by 10, it will also uh, give you output as a 0. So it will not give you the division. So it is not like 200 by 10, it is like 200 modulo 10. This is the value which is returning here. The result is a remainder of this divide divide operation. So here, when you compare like this, a modulo 10 is equal to b is equal to c, and c is equal to a, then it means this operation will always return same values. So you can test, like you can confirm that all the last integer numbers are same. Okay, one more thing. Here in ES6, or you can say in a simplified version, you can omit this return true, and you can simply return this statement, complete statement. Okay, and it will also work as expected. Let me change it to something else, and it's working fine. So this was the very basic and quick video on how you can create a JavaScript function that will check if last digit of given integer positive numbers are same or not. So sometimes in interviews, as if you are a fresher, or you are willing to give an interview for JavaScript or front end developer, you are might be with this type of questions. So I hope you find this video useful. If you have any suggestions, you can leave your suggestions below this comment. Also, if you want to see more of my videos, you can visit my channel. There are few videos on JavaScript basic exercise. Also, there are many videos created for CSS and Node.js as well as WordPress. So I hope you like those videos, and also please don't forget to subscribe and support. All right, that's all for this video, guys. Thanks for your time. Bye.